I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows startup by disabling unnecessary startup applications. My computer started 6 seconds faster. You should try it too. Go on Taskbar, click right mouse button, and go Task Manager. Okay, this is our Task Manager. There are many processes here running. These are startup apps. And it means that when you start your computer, when your Windows preparing, also these applications automatically run in the background. This is a big problem, because if you don't need these apps often, they don't need to run at every startup. This is why your computer is booting up slowly. So let's choose unnecessary applications. For example, I don't use Spotify that much. I disabled it. Skype, I don't use it. Mobile devices, disable. Xbox, disable. Microsoft Teams, disable. You can run these applications yourself if you need. They don't need to run at every startup. For example, these are game things. Riot, disable it. Steam, disable it. So this is for security. We can keep it. I don't know this one. All right, after this operations, your computer will speed up. Subscribe to Mr. Tutorial for more tips. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments below. See you in the next video.